I'm back now. The battery on my other glasses is completely gone, so I'm going to just shoot a video on this phone, and I will show you what's going on. So the pump is still running apparently. It looks like the water might be going down. I'll have to see what's going on here. We might have an issue with the pump. I don't see the water is going down. I can hear the pump. Pump is going non-stop. I'm gonna have to open the machine and see if I can see any problems, because common problem with those machines are the boiler, the probes are always leaking, and the triac board on the top here tend to fail. So I just want to make sure that the customer doesn't have those issues, because this machine is quite expensive. Is I think $4,000, maybe even more, maybe I'm mistaken, but I think it's BES990 and it's Oracle. You can check online, those machines are quite expensive. Yeah, you see, so the water is not going down, which is a bad sign. Okay, so we know that the pump is not pumping the water from the tank. The boiler is actually heating up, which is good. I just want to see if it's actually going to stop. It should stop closer to 200 Fahrenheit, so I'm just going to wait until it stops. Because the customer said it's heating up non-stop, but you always have to check anyways, regardless what the customer says. Yeah, you can see the water here is no movement. Now this is 6 more degrees and it should be turning green. I can feel the heat on this upper panel already. Actually, I feel the heat on the side too. Yep, come on, 3 more degrees, you can do it. 2 more degrees. Okay, perfect. So the good news is, from what I can see, I'm just gonna I pulled the tank out because there's no point for this to run. Okay, so we definitely have a problem with the pump. Okay, this is 100% the problem, because it's not sucking the water from here, from the tank. So pump needs to be replaced 100%. I'm gonna open the back side and see. The good thing is the boiler seems to be okay. So we don't have a problem with the boiler, and we don't have a problem with the milk frother, the steam one. So those components seems to be okay. Now I'm gonna open the back side. Yeah, but still the water is still in here, the same exact amount what I put before. So be patient with me, because I'm just working with one hand. This one. You know what, I'm just going to stop the video, and then I will remove those 2 screws, and there's 2 more screws here. We'll remove this panel, and I want to see if I can see something on this side. So I'll just stop it real quick, I'll remove it, and then I will continue. Okay, I'm back now. Alright, guess what? We have a leakage here on the probes. right there. See the runaway? I hope you can see it in the video. See? So we need to replace those 3 probes again. It's so common on those machines to do that. Now the triac board, I think maybe still okay, so we're gonna leave it. But we definitely need a new pump. See all this moisture? I hope you can see it in the video. Yeah, you see this? It's not supposed to be like that. So, and you see all this water right here? So that's not good too. So the diagnostics is pretty much over on this machine. We need the 3 probes here. Replace the probes, they come up with O-ring inside as well, so you're not gonna have this issue. The triac board, I'm gonna keep. Yeah, you can see the water. There's too much steam. It's a common issue on those machines, so I'm not sure, maybe a poor design or something on this side or something on the Breville side. I'm not sure. I don't want to blame anyone, but I've been replacing those probes for, I would say, so very common issue. I'm just gonna come back. Just give me one more second.